Add oil.
Fuel
Awesome.
truck transfer. Alright, I just transferred it to you. Alright, now where's the nearest realtor?
Your mom.
Neochori.
Gotta go to Neo.
Yep. Yeah, it does.
Alright, I'm going to Neo.
Hey, is
Check
that
the realtor.
thing in the gang ship?
Someone literally stole it and they chopped it. Wait, are we about to sell or should I go check this?
No, I'm gonna transfer it to my house. Yeah, it's
Oh,
processed.
process, yeah.
I'm gonna transfer all of it.
Here, hold on. I'm checking this realtor though.
Yo, Hunt. I'm gonna move all the vehicles over here for you so you can get them easier.
Are you talking to Hunt K? And then he muted and deafened himself. Let's pray I don't hit another sign and kill myself.
I'm sorry, guys. What were you saying?
Are you playing with Hunt K?
Yeah, I'm just helping him out. There's like 50 abandoned cars in Pygros right now.
Bro, I'm still waiting for this admin to go on.
Oofalicious.
Oil's the move, gas.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you really expected.
I mean, yeah. He kind of
That's
had
some
that personality,
childless
though.
ass shit, bro.
That is.
Have you ever met the guy? He's a fucking time bomb. Yeah.
Every time
Yeah.
I talk to him, he's pretty nice too, but
Yeah.
How many unprocessed oil could we fit in the big Tempest Doodle?
unprocessed?
Yeah, unprocessed.
360 or 390 or something? I don't remember.
That-
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's full. I mean, I know mine was filled up, so.
Yeah, mine was filled. I think it was, I don't remember. I want to say it was 360. Check realtor map. Where was I looking at it? DP11.
And then
Oh, there's a fuck ton of houses in DP11. There's a
That's-
gang shed over by
that's what I
Core
took.
too.
There's 509 left unprocessed. I'm gonna
Alright, I
take.
might buy a. Should I buy a house in Core or DP11?
What the hell?
Oil.
Okay, now I gotta go repair this. What the? What the hell?
What?
What?
What just happened?
How'd you blow up the gang shed?
Wait. The gang
I
shed
was
blew up?
literally cruising out and it just blew up.
It doesn't fix until restart.
Do we lose everything that was inside?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
I stuck all my oil in it.
Rip.
Dang. Server doesn't restart for another 3 hours.
Really?
Yeah,
Why is it such a long
184
restart?
minutes. 184?
Yeah, it is.
That's 3 hours.
That's
Yeah, I'm gonna go check out these houses up by DP11.